Hey there, thanks for checking out our video. Welcome to the Gold Hive Originals backyard. Pretty big, eh?
So, in this video, we're showcasing our Magnetic Cyclonic filtration towers. The clear version shown here is where it started, and the blue version is where we currently are with development. We have been developing the towers across a 2-year period. The towers are just like all of our other creations, designed to work hand in hand with each and every other piece of equipment. A bit like a Lego set for grown-ups, they also incorporate a cradle too, except our secret weapon, the Buzzy Bee vibrational harmonics device. The towers were designed to allow for fitment of Toothpick Mining's groundbreaking Nano Syphon sluice, as seen in this footage. The setup here is a dual configuration. The towers allow for a single setup as well. The entire system was designed to work with the bare minimum of water. Water here in Western Australia is a commodity and definitely not to be wasted. The same water is pumped through the system over and over, making sure that there is no wastage of the valuable H2O. Okay, so after having been run through the rock crusher and classified, the material is delivered into the system dry or wet via a hopper that is fashioned from an empty plastic soft drink bottle. The base of the bottle is cut off, and then the neck of the bottle pushes snugly into the top of the first nano. The water is delivered into the first nano through a tube that is supplied by a compact 12-volt pump that is immersed in a reservoir of water, in this instance a plastic storage box. The first nano's job is to collect the fine gold and heavies. All going well, what gets through is collected in the second nano. If you look closely, you can see some gold in nano number 1. The material that makes it through the nanos enters the magnetic cyclonic filtration tower, where the magnetics and sulfides are removed thanks to the magnets in the base of the tower and gravity. The process going on inside the tower truly resembles a cyclone or tornado, hence the name we gave the towers. The water with any leftover material enters at the bottom and exits at the top. By the time the water exits the tower, it's relatively clean. Anything left generally falls to the bottom of the reservoir, so that all water going through the pump is clean and not going to damage the pump. This section shows the versatility of our designs. It shows a tower fitted with a special pan adapter head, allowing for one of our pans to be used in conjunction with a tower. It's attached with a magnetic mounting system that secures it beautifully, keeping your hands free. Hands free is what it's all about. As seen here, one of the GHO's crew relaxes and watches on while the setup does its thing. But in all seriousness, it means you can get on with other things. And let's not forget, our friends with mobility issues, this type of setup works wonders for them, as it's not requiring a huge amount of attention. This camera angle provides you with a complete look at the whole setup. Well done to the camera operator. Here you can see some more crushed and classified material being fed into the hopper. The other thing to note here is the water being delivered into the hopper by a universal spout that is being supplied by the water from the reservoir. The soap in the water is used to break the adhesion of the particles, and you can hear the Buzzy Bee humming away. Okay, so this is the bit that you've all been waiting for. Recovery of the shimmery gold. Nano 1 is taken from its mounting on the tower and thoroughly rinsed to extract all of the heavies that have accumulated inside the nano. Both nanos will have this procedure carried out on them, but the first nano will definitely have the most gold. Then some very skillful work with the pan and the fine gold is separated from the material caught by the nano. I'll go quiet at this point and let you just watch the magic happen as the footage speaks for itself. There it is, in all its glory, the stuff we've all been waiting to see, the shimmery gold.
Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for the next one, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. All the best.